Hello viewers, welcome back to Santosha's kitchen. Let's cook spicy mutton dum biryani today. The mutton is already cooked with 3 whistles in a pressure cooker with 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now I added 2 tablespoons of red chili powder to this, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of salt. Now in addition to this, I am adding 2 tablespoons of garam masala powder, right, and along with this garam masala powder I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of biryani masala powder. And this biryani masala powder, you can make it at home or else you can purchase any of your favorite biryani masala powders. So many are available in the market. Now this is green chili paste, and I like my biryani to be really hot and spicy, so this green chili paste will goes very good with this mutton biryani. Now here the main ingredient, curd, and I have added almost 4 to 5 tablespoons there. And now mix it well, and we need to marinate this. We'll keep it aside and let it marinate for a few minutes till we boil our rice. So don't allow this mutton to be burnt at the bottom while cooking. So we are adding oil to this, and this oil you can add almost 4 to 5 tablespoons so that it doesn't allow these pieces to burn at the bottom while you're cooking, while you place it for dum to cook along with the rice. So mix it well, and then we can keep it aside. We will take a separate bowl to boil the rice, and as we have already seen in the earlier videos, we'll do in the same procedure. So take a separate bowl to cook this rice. Now I have sprinkled few brown onions, and these brown onions will really help you to absorb if you have any extra moisture. Now this separate bowl, add 2 tablespoons of salt. Along with that we will add shahi jeera and almost 1.5 tablespoon. Now crush few cardamom and add those crushed cardamom there for nice flavor. Along with that add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and this is the secret or main ingredient while cooking the rice, the lemon juice, and I squeezed it almost from 3 lemons. Now add 1:2 ratio with your rice and add this water and boil it in high flame. Once you see the water boiling, now add soaked basmati rice, which is soaked for almost 20 to 30 minutes, and add the basmati rice to this and allow it to boil and cook this rice for almost 85 to 90%. Okay, look at that, it's nice. Now just keep a pan, a tawa or a pan, under this biryani bowl which you cook, so that it will not let the pieces burn at the bottom, which will really spoil your taste, right? If they burn, that doesn't taste well. So now sprinkle this rice, after draining the water, sprinkle this rice upon it. You all very well know how to do this carefully, and don't keep much pressure on this rice. There should be some gap between these grains, so that the flavors from the bottom, they travel till up, and this gap which we leave between these grains, and these gaps will be filled when the remaining part of the 10% or 5% of the rice which has to be boiled, that will be filled along with this aroma. That is why every grain in this biryani is important. Every grain of rice will have a taste. Now look at that, I'm adding a little bit more brown onion on the top, Along with this brown onion, I'm sprinkling a little bit of color, lemon yellow food color. That is your choice, or else you can add saffron or maybe turmeric mixed with milk. Now this is a lot of ghee on the top. That really helps you to give a lot of aroma, nice aroma and taste, and a little bit of coriander leaves. Now leave it for 20 minutes and don't let the vapor go out. Okay, and after 20 minutes, look at that, your biryani is ready. And make sure that you take it out from the top to the bottom. Okay, and now you can shift it to the serving plate. The spicy and hot biryani, mutton biryani, is ready. You can serve it with slices of onion or any other chutneys that you would like to prepare. Now this is the time to serve hot and spicy biryani. Look at that, how delicious it looks, and trust me, it's very nice. So see you next time.